Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your battery and a Toyota Camry. So if your Camry look like this, it's going to be the same procedure of changing your battery. And this is a 2017 Camry, so from 2017 down will be the same procedure of changing the battery. This is the SE, but doesn't matter if it's a SE or 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder. It's gonna be the same procedure of changing the battery. So let's go ahead and get started on that one. Okay, so you come to your car, you try to press your button, the car don't do nothing, the battery dead. So next thing is you have to get your key in the driver door to open the driver door. Then you want to come under here to pull that up, and you want to come to the front and come under here and feel this right here and lift up on it, and that's it. So this is what I was telling you to feel for. So this hook like this right here, so when you lift it up it pull back like this, then you can lift the hood up. So this is what it do when you do that to lift the hood up. And this the battery right here. So this is the battery right here, and if you want to jump your car, you will put your negative cable right here, and you take this off and put your positive cable right here. Okay, then you will go ahead and jump the car from that. But today we're changing the battery, so that's what we're gonna do, change the battery. And the battery type it uses is group 24F. That's the battery it uses. So let's get to it. And also guys, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Alright, let's get to it. So what we're gonna need is gonna be 10mm. So you need a deep socket 10mm to get over here, and it can do to take the rest of everything off. So first thing first, take off your negative cable. So you're gonna need a 10mm socket, also with a ratchet handle. So go ahead and remove this first. Then you can go ahead and remove your positive cable, also 10mm. So as you know, mine is stuck. As you see, try to turn it, but it's stuck. So just get a hammer, tap it a little bit. So you just want to tap it back and forth and get it to spin some. Once it spins, you can twist it and pull up on it, and it will come right off. This had some corrosion in it, so we're gonna need to clean it. And the next thing is to remove these 10mm right here. They have one right here. And this one right here. So that's like a hook style down there, so it will come off once you get it like that, because this hook and the bottom down there. I will try to go more in depth with that once I take out the battery. Now the battery can come out. So the hook go down behind here. I know it's wet, but it was me cleaning the dirt off the hinging washing the engine a little bit because it was really messy under here. So I kind of clean it up before I start the video. That's why you see water down there. And sometimes if your battery leak, you'll see water down there. But that water that you see, that liquid that you see, it's me. So over here, that's where your hook goes. Right there. Alright. So let's go ahead. I can go ahead and remove this. And throw off the water somewhere. Alright, so the battery cleaner. So go ahead and just spray this on right here. Spray this on this one right here. Let it sit, and that will eat away the corrosion. And guys, if your terminal is clean, you might not need this process, so you can go ahead and try to skip a little bit to where I install the battery. Alright. Alright guys, so we have our new battery right here, and it's 24. This is the 24 series. So you want to install your battery like that. Alright. So remember, if yours is dirty, you clean it. Install your battery. You want to get your hook and hook it down in the hole that I showed you earlier, and get your 10mm deep socket on this side over here. It's spinning because I guess when I push it down, it didn't go hook, but now you just have to hook it. Alright, so now I got it hooked. And I tighten it. So just like that, the battery is nice and firm. What you want to do is put on your positive cable first, because the whole body of your car is ground. So put the positive cable on first, even though nothing is right here to sparks in the direction this has to go, but it's always good to put on the positive cable first for safety. Please go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up if I help you get your negative cable on. And you guys always say start the car when you put the battery in, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna stop the camera. The camera is gonna keep on running, as you see. I'm gonna come inside the car. So now I'm inside the car. Turn off the flash. So what you want to do is turn the ignition on and wait for the radio to boot up. So the ignition is on, radio booting up. Or else when you crank the car up, it's gonna cut off, and then you're gonna have to crank it back up again. Whichever way you choose is up to you. So now you see the radio boot up. Now I can switch the car off and crank it up. As you see, all the lights are gone. So let me see. That's just for the maintenance that I didn't do anything to. Alright, so you want to come over here, because what's gonna happen now, you're gonna lose your time. So you want to go ahead and press truck right here. Not truck, I'm sorry, it's because I'm getting a calls. Alright, the call is gone. So you want to press setup. You want to go to general, and then you're going to see clock, and then you wanna set the clock to 2 o'clock, or whatever your time is. I said 2 o'clock because it's 2 p.m. and go ahead and I do that, and then afterwards you wanna just make sure all the time is correctly set. And you can also set your date from here also. But there you go, that's how you set your clock. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Give me a thumbs up. And one more thing before I done is to spray the protective the battery protector on the battery so it doesn't corrode anymore. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. That help keep down the corrosion. Lock that in, close the hood, and that's it, guys. Thank you for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel once more. Peace out.